So I have traditional side control here, right? I have a cross face and underhook. Bottom person will typically work to get their frames, all right? They're gonna use this to escape, and I wanna counter the frames, and I wanna keep my chest to chest connection, all right? So it becomes a little stalemate here, all right? So one little sneaky submission I like to get from here a lot. So I wanna take the cross face arm, and I wanna swim under, keeping his elbow into my armpit area. And I wanna swim back and wrap under his head. The crossface arm will be palm down, and I wanna get a gable grip. All right, my base is wide still. I don't want him to roll me over and lean too much forward, but I do wanna dip down on the shoulder a little bit. Pressure, 10. All right, I hit this all the time in the gym, and I won a match about 5 years ago with this, so try it out, let me know what you think.